Let's get your tickets entered for summer reading. First, you'll head over to the Beanstack website, bberglibrary.beanstack.com, and that will take you to the home page. Then you'll want to log in to your account. Once you've logged in, you can click on your challenge. And under the challenge heading, you'll notice different options. You want to go to Ticket Drawings. Ticket Drawings will list all the different prizes available for you to put your tickets in. Every week that you earned a badge, you received a ticket. Our example person here only has earned 2 tickets, but yours might say 6. So, or however many you have left to spend if you've been putting tickets in. So we have 2 tickets to spend in this challenge. And I can put my 2 tickets in one place, or I can put them in a couple different options. So for example, if I wanted to try to win this Art Studio prize pack from Brightly, I would click on it and I can choose to add tickets here. Then I can choose the number of tickets. So I can do just 1, and you'll notice now it says I only have 1 ticket available. Or I can do 2 and have no more tickets. I can enter 2 and they'll just both go to the Art Studio. I'm going to do 1 ticket here and enter that. And then I'm also going to go down here and try for this Disney Plus subscription. I'm going to add a ticket here. But if I change my mind and decide really I want to try for the Children's Museum and the zoo, I can move my tickets around. So you can see at the bottom how many tickets have been entered into each prize. So if I go back into this, it still shows I have it. I can take that ticket back out by using the minus button. And now there's 0 tickets here and it says I have 1 ticket left. And I can go down here and put it into the membership for the museum. And you'll see now it shows 1 ticket entered. And that's how you get all your tickets entered. Thank you.